This is Mr. Mark, and this video is about using Vlookup. Now, first of all, why would we use Vlookup? Well, let's say I have a list of items and a list of prices, and I want to automate the process of looking up the price of a particular item. In other words, I want to be able to type the name of an item in this box and immediately get the price of that item. Now, I can do it myself. If I only have 8 items, which I do in this case, it's very easy for me to look to see that a pencil is 99 cents and to simply type 99 cents in this box. And I could do the same thing for any other item, hat for instance. However, imagine if I had 100 different items on this list. And I was looking for one particular item out of these 100 items, and I had to go through the whole list looking for that particular item and for the price that goes with that item. That would be much more of a task. And this is why we use Vlookup. So I'm going to delete this and show you how I can use Vlookup to look up the price for any item that I enter in this box. First step is to go to Formulas, click Lookup in Reference, scroll all the way down and select Vlookup. It automatically inserts the function equal Vlookup. Now the first part of the Vlookup, the first argument, is the lookup value. The lookup value is the actual thing that I am looking up in the table. Okay, in this case, that thing will be in cell E3. It is the item that I'm looking up. The second argument is the table array. The table array is the actual data table where I will be looking up this item. Okay, this is my data table. Now, it is possible to highlight the specific table. However, the thing about this is that if I want to add more items, those items will not be included, because if I select A1 to B9, only this section will be included. So what I will do instead is I will select A. So I click on the column A and B. That way I'm selecting the whole column. Okay, the whole of column A and the whole column B. What this does is allows me to continue to add items to the list and still be able to look up those items. Okay, so I want to look up this whole column A and the whole column B. Then the column index number. Now the column index number is simply the number of the column that contains the answer we're looking for. In other words, we are looking for the price, and the price is the second column in this table, going from left to right. Right? The item column is the first column, the price column is the second column. And since I'm looking for the price, the column index number is number 2. Last, we have the range lookup. So, if you want an exact match, which in this case we do, meaning you want that whatever item we look for, it is giving me the exact price to match up with that item. So in this case, I will have to type false. If you do not type false, then it assumes that you are not looking for an exact match. So if you want an exact match, okay, the answer, or the price in this case, that is the exact match for the item that you're looking up, then you should type the word false, which in many cases, that's exactly what you have to do. And now I will click OK. And there you have it. Pencil gives me an answer of 99 cents. Now let's try changing the item. Let's type hat, for instance. There you go. As you can see, a hat is $4.99, and it does work. Let's try another item, jeans, for instance. Jeans are $29.99. That is correct as well. Now, I also want to prove to you that I can add more items to this list and the Vlookup function will still work. Okay, so, for example, let's say I were to add, let's just add headphones to the list. Let's say we're selling these headphones for $14.99. Now I should be able to add headphones here. And there you go, $14.99. Okay, I'm going to double click this to adjust it. And the reason this works is because when I set up the Vlookup function, I selected the entire column A and the entire column B. Therefore, I can always add more and more items, and the Vlookup function will continue to work because it is checking the whole column A, looking for the item, and it is checking the whole column B to look for the price. So hopefully this video on using Vlookup was helpful. If you did find it helpful, please hit the like button. Also feel free to subscribe to my channel. Also feel free to leave comments, suggestions, any feedback of any kind, positive or negative, all is welcome. Also, if you're interested, there's a link in the description of this video that you can click, which will take you to a page where you can leave your email, and if you wish, a short message along with it. Actually, I would encourage you to leave, if you do leave your email, leave a message requesting a copy of this template, of this file, of this actual spreadsheet, so I can send you the actual file that I'm working with right now, if that will help you out as well. And yeah, definitely subscribe to the channel so that you can get more videos, which I will be posting in the future. Thanks for watching.